pull your stick. You timed out. Which means we are down to 3. And it's getting awful quiet. He's lining himself up nice and neat in reverse. There we go. We got the 280 of TJ Carls, we got the 195 of Laura Hoyland, and the 68 of Michael Hoyland. All with sticks up yet. Getting kind of quiet down here, so reminder again, mid-size. Get yourselves ready. We did stop just to make sure that there wasn't a full-on fire, make sure it was just the exhaust on number 195. We did see some glowing under there, so we wanted to check on that. From what I got confirmed, it was the exhaust, so that does not count as a fire. Green flag, giddy up. Got the 280 still moving around. Got the 68 195 with sticks up. Trying to get them going. Every one of these vehicles are on a timer, so as soon as we hear the word that they've timed out, we'll pull them accordingly. Number 68 has pulled his stick, which means we're down to 2. He's stuck. He's trying. There he goes. I'm just being told there's 30 seconds left on number 195. They got 30 seconds to get her going. And he's stuck again. You gotta work a little bit of that in and out action. And I'm being told we have a fire, so hold up. So number 195 is going to call it quits. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That is it. Our 4th place is our Mad Dog winner. 4th place, number 36, Riley Valiant. We'll be taking home the Mad Dog, so please come up and get your Mad Dog trophy. 3rd place, number 68, Michael Hoyland. 2nd place, number 195, Laura Hoyland. And your 1st place winner, number 280, TJ Carls.